Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 9, 2024 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 9, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 9, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 48.5 million pesos for October 9, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 9, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.